In Sweden,
This is one scary image.
but it's not the snow. The worry starts when the snow melts into water.
Nearly half of all Swedes worry about water damage in their homes. Pergo makes floors that are waterproof for up to 72 hours. To prove it, Pergo created the Snow Challenge, an event at Mall of Scandinavia, where visitors were invited to do something you would normally never do indoors. Build snowmen using real snow.
Right on a Pergo laminate floor.
A playful way to prove that Pergo floors can handle snow, slush and water. At Pergo,
We want life to be fun and worry-free.
because our floors can handle it. Pergo, floors for real life.